Hello everyone, in this simple video I'm going to show you how you can use the green screen in the Capcut apps. So I'm going to tap on your project and I'm going to select the green screen photo and another photo. Just click on add. So you can select the green screen and make it as an overlay. Select overlay. Alright, so you can remove the green screen with cutout feature. Select cutout and select chroma key. Select color picker, which is select the green color and adjust for intensity and shadow. Alright, just click check mark and you can resize and adjust for the position like so. So simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.